Hey everybody, we're going to bring the truck to the shop tomorrow, and I want to get the lights ready. So I popped the lights out, the tail lights and the backup lights, and also we're going to work on the license plate. And I manufactured this thing out of, it was actually a bird cage, that white metal there. And it actually looks like the grill of the front of a truck or something. So we remounted all the lights, and this is the one wire for the license plate. It didn't work because it's not grounded very well, because there's only one wire. You do need two to make the lights work. There's no return voltage there. The bird cage held it really tight, so that was good. And we're going to put it back together, and tomorrow morning we're going to bring it to the shop. We're going to take the box off, and we're going to make this into a flatbed. But I needed a light bar, if you will, to make everything work.